Ask yourself this: do you have grit?
Some people may say that grit is having the perseverance in the face of adversity, setbacks and failures. It's a combination of those things that create grit. It's about having this stamina quality, not just being passionate, but sustaining that passion for a long time. It's not just about the hours of work you put in, it's about the hardest kind of work. You need to concentrate on the things you don't know, identifying your own weaknesses and working on that. It's about being in a very uncomfortable place, or some part of your day working extremely hard, and then to get up and do it all over again. Grit can be the difference in becoming successful, because you will never give up and never run away when things get tough. This is the power of grit. Do you have it?